Good morning, traders. This is the Expert Trade Ideas team, here with your full pre-market briefing for Thursday, July 24th, 2025. Let's get straight into what matters. No fluff, just signals. We're seeing a controlled grind higher in the indices. ES and NQ are ticking up modestly in pre-market, continuing a steady upward drift. Crude is moving slightly higher, supporting a cyclical tone, but it's not euphoric, and that's important. This market favors the prepared, not the aggressive. Dollar weakness is back in play, with DXY fading from its recent highs. That's opening the door for risk assets, alongside softening bond yields and a quiet bid returning in treasuries. TLT and ZB are both off their lows, pointing to selective reallocation rather than panic buying. Liquidity is returning, not all at once, but steadily. Volatility metrics are flashing green lights, at least on the surface. VIX and VX continue to drift lower, while the put-call ratio is signaling bullish complacency at 0.80. But don't be fooled. This is the kind of environment that can snap hard on surprise news. We're in a volatility compression pocket, and those don't last forever. Internals are giving us the real story. Tick readings are weak across both NYSE and NASDAQ, which means the rally isn't broad. Breadth is thin, and leadership is narrow. TRIN.NQ is showing heavy buying interest in tech, while TRIN.NY is less decisive. That's the tell. This isn't the time to buy everything, it's time to stalk the right setups. Now let's turn to the 5 best names on the tape this morning, based on volume, volatility, and setup quality. First, Max Linear, ticker MXL. It's gapping up over 36% with a breakout setup. Pre-market price is well above yesterday's close and key pivot levels. If this holds above 15.53, we're looking for a potential run to 15.70. But if it slips below 15.35, watch for a fade to the low 15s. Next, American Eagle, AEO. With a 17% gap and solid retail participation, it's setting up cleanly for a continuation breakout. If this holds over 10.22, upside targets include 10.28. But if it breaks down below 10.17, a retracement to the low 10s is on deck. Third, American Airlines, AAL. This is the classic trap reversal setup. Pre-market price is below yesterday's close, but volume is high. If it reclaims 12.54, we could see a quick squeeze. Failure to hold 12.47, that opens the door to 12.40. Fourth, Sunrun, Run, a high beta solar name that's up nearly 4% pre-market. It's trading above yesterday's close and near a pivot level at 11.02. Watch for continuation above 11.24, with upside to 11.39. Below 11.10, it may retrace to 10.95. And rounding it out, QuantumScape, ticker QS. It's gapping down nearly 5%, and that's exactly why it's on our radar. This name has range, it has volatility, and it has traders leaning the wrong way. If it reclaims 14.05, we could get a strong countertrend move. If not, a fade back to 13.203 is likely. So what's the bottom line today? The broader market is stable but fragile. Vol is low, liquidity is improving, but leadership is narrow. This is a day for precision, not prediction. Scalpers, wait for tick confirmation. Day traders, lean long selectively. Swing traders, hold trend but manage risk tight. Position traders, be patient and don't chase. That's your edge. Stay sharp. Trade with intent. This has been the Expert Trade Ideas team. Subscribe, follow, share, like, and visit us at www.expertradei.com for more elite trading insights.